Hey, look who came back today. I know I got some for you. No, 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 no. Here it is. Lord have mercy. This dog gonna be coming around all the time. Now the first thing I do when I come up is unload all my new stuff. So let's see what fun stuff did I get this trip. I got some more lights for the garden. It's kind of fun because I can see the animals at night. I saw a cat. I hope you get some of those voles. Those things are tearing my garden up. Let's see. Eyebrow pencil. Yeah, I don't care about that. Got an angle with my angle finder. Glow in the dark rocks. Man, I don't know what I'm gonna do with those yet. That'd be fun. This is a charger, so I can just have one thing for all my, my stuff. All charge in one place. Oh my God, look at these. Look, it's a spork. It's the best thing ever. I don't think I need anything else after having these. Except for my time-lapse camera. So I want to try to get the seasons changing. Those go together. And then I want to stain my kitchen. So it's gonna put my stuff on that to protect the wood. And then look at this. I found a little hornet's nest. I'll take care of that. This is trip number 1. I got like 4 more trips because I got a bunch of mulch. Here, I'll go spray these hornets real quick. And then I can make my escape on the way down. Just in case they get a little mad or something. Okay, get the hell out of here. Okay, so before I start today, I thought I'd show you what's on my to-do list. I have some of this may move to tomorrow's to-do list, but as of now, I'm gonna put some tape on the lights, the landscape lights, because some of them are too bright and I don't like the way that looks. So that's a really easy thing. I've got to test the shower. That's super important because I'd like to take a shower in here. It's starting to get cold. So I got to test it first, and then if everything looks good there, I'm going to put the insulation on the second side of the bathroom, and then I'm going to put the plywood up. So once the plywood's up, I can start working on getting that bathtub in. And then I got 20 bags of mulch I got to put out, and I got to spray the weeds. So this actually is important too, because I'm starting to get wrapped up here at the tiny house, and I want to start on the farm, y'all. I know that the next big thing, where's my big thing? Here's my big thing sticky color. Clear land. It's coming up. This is coming up. So the winter's almost here, and if I want a chance to kill the roots of the current stuff I want to kill, I need to start getting on that. So I'm anticipating the next thing I'm going to do. So it's always a mix of stuff I'm doing now and then pre-work I'm doing, for the next thing I'm doing. So we'll see how much I get done. But best thing, man, when you can take a pen and like scratch through it or take it, man, that's a good feeling right there. Okay, we'll see if I can get this thing working. I have a little hook up there on the side of the wall that I'm gonna hang it on. Okay. So everything uses a quick connect, which makes it super easy. And then I've got my bucket of water here ready to go. Okay, now it's been a little while, and I've kind of forgotten how to hook it up. So doesn't look like this is getting any power. Y'all, I took the batteries out. Look, there's a stink bug in the battery compartment. Okay. Hey, I can move a sticky. I can move a sticky on my board now. Yeah, I wanted to take that insulation down so I could use it for the plywood to kind of make a template, but I'm having a hard time getting it to pop out. That's a moment of dread. Because I think something's going to be easy, and then it's behind here. Layers are going to be an OSB. I hope I don't hit one of those strips that's holding it up. And the black thing and the cladding. Dang. Should be a hole right where that red mark is. Let's see if I can find a longer. I don't think I have a longer bed. Boy, it's hot. I've got hands on here. So since this is off, I might as well mention. So see how I have these stems going around the corner? They create a little gap, maybe a third or a fourth of an inch gap that puts a pocket between this and insulation. Because if you put it right next to it, it's just gonna conduct it like if you touch an iron, right? You're touching the iron. So this has a little, it's that little pocket of air. Okay, so that's the black board. Okay, ooh, okay, where we at? Where we at? Okay, in here, so, get that in a hole. Okay, so here's that little, what do I call it, tub, bucket that I was talking about. Guess I should have thought of a curtain. I guess I could sit it. I guess I could sit in it. I could fill it up, put my head in it, wash my hair, get out, and then probably wash off the rest. We're not going for luxurious here. Okay, but what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do this big hole in here. I don't like this hole. I'll put that on my research list. I bet there's this little piece of plastic, like a circle that's got little, I'm not gonna explain it good. Somebody make something somewhere. There's a solution for that. I just gotta find them. The paper towel solution in the moment. Okay, so Jay Tucker had a question. How does this seal against the, like when it's closed, how do you seal it? I was gonna show. Okay, so when it's closed, you can see I left the polycarbonate overlap, so it actually overlaps all the way over here. And on this side, ignore the wonky cut, but it actually hits this here. So let me close it real quick and I'll show you. Now, the wood's a little bent, so you can see there's a kind of a gap in the middle. Let's pretend this wood was straight. You can see how far over the polycarbonate goes, and it really butts up well against the side. Over here too. And then I let it come a little bit off, so it'll catch any water that's coming off. There's a pretty big gap in here that it runs off into. Zip tape. So the water will run off that and go in there. And then another layer to seal it is, I showed you that gap. They have this expanding foam. Now it's in plywood color. Look, before it was black and it really just kind of jumped out, but I really like this stuff. Shoot. I found it in Lowe's or Home Depot. But this is really what seals it so that bugs and, for the most part, there's a little gap there. But it seals all along the bottom and the sides here. See, I love how the one-handed, see how it's just butting up against the foam at the bottom? Yeah, I have to help this out a little bit. But you can see how the foam is blocking. Look, there's my gap. You see that little gap? So I hope that helps, Jay Tucker. If you're interested in putting this wall in, yep, there's my foam. There's another little gap. So you can see that it closes pretty good. I've been really happy. There's some things obviously I would do different now. Make sure I get straight boards. And I probably wouldn't have done this design, but that's what I knew to do at the time. But I'm really happy. Here, let me show you this. Watch this, y'all. Watch this. Watch this. 2 fingers. Look, I don't even have to keep lifting it. I can. Come on now, come on. I can walk away. Look, it just keeps on going up. And it makes this cool little whoosh. These struts help a lot, especially if you're in a hurry to get it closed. Or if you don't have a door that functions. And this becomes your door. So, here you go. Okay, time to chill out in my hammock, watch the birds. It's my favorite thing to do after a long day. Ooh, look, I got my fire pit now. Look at this. This will be something cool sometime. I don't know what, but it's going to be something neat. I'll sit in my hammock and think about what that's going to be. That's what I'll do. No more.